In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix info check issue in Play Store. If your Play Store gets stuck on checking info and won't move forward, this walkthrough will guide you through a safe reset of the Play Store's core components so it can load apps and updates normally again. Start on your Android device and open the Settings app. Scroll until you find Apps, then open it. If you see an option labeled See All Apps, tap that to display the full list. We're going to adjust system components that don't always appear by default, so look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu and tap it. From there, choose Show System Apps. This ensures Google Play Services is visible, which is essential for the Play Store to work correctly. Now scroll down and select Google Play Services. Open Storage and Cache. Here, tap Clear Storage. On the next screen, choose Clear All Data, and when prompted, confirm by tapping Delete. This step resets background data for Google Play Services, which often resolves the checking info loop by refreshing the connection between your device and Google servers. Don't worry, this does not remove your Google account from the device. Next, go back to your list of apps and search for Google Play Store. Open it, then go to Storage and Cache again. Tap Clear Storage and confirm by selecting Delete. This clears the Play Store's local data and forces it to rebuild a fresh, clean state the next time you open it. On some phones, wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that removes the app's data, not just the cache. With both components reset, restart your phone. A full reboot makes sure all services reload cleanly. After the device powers back on, open the Play Store and give it a moment to initialize. In most cases, the checking info issue will be gone, and you should be able to browse, install, and update apps normally. A few important notes before we wrap up. This process does not delete your Google account from the phone, but you may be asked to re-accept certain Play Store permissions the first time you open it again. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection, since a weak or intermittent connection can trigger the same error. If you see any prompts after clearing data, just follow them on screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Play Store tips and tutorials.